change following compass bearing. Okay, now last video we did changing from 3 digits to compass. Now it is compass. Okay, now last video we did changing from compass to 3 digits, but today we are doing 3 digits to compass bearing. So don't be afraid. I'm here, so don't be afraid. Okay, so the first one says 100 degree. Remember, this is your north, south, west, and east. Where will 100 degree fall? Remember, you're starting from the north to count. So let's just get where this 100 degree is. From here to here is 90. We have to add something. That is just 10 degree to make it 100. So these are 100 degree. From here to here, these are 100 degree. So this is 100 degree. But we're asked to find the equivalent in compass bearing. Compass bearing, you only start from either the north or the south, depending where the point falls. You don't start from the east to count, you don't start from the west, either north or south. So your answer starts from north, a particular degree west, or south, a particular degree, as the case may be. Now, where does this line fall in between? This line I drew now, it falls between south and east. This tells you that your final answer will fall between south and east. Then an angle will be inside here. There's nothing difficult there. So watch as we do this. Remember, from the question, this is 100 degree. From here to here is 100. But remember I told you, each quadrant is 90. So if here is 90, it means this small part here that completed this 100 should be 10 degree. 10 degree. This small part is 10 degree. And if here is 10 degree, what will be the angle here? Because that's what we're looking for now, to get the equivalent in compass bearing. South, a particular angle, then east. So how do you get this angle? Also remember, inside this quadrant is 90 degree. And we've removed 10 degree. How many will be left? We'll be left with 80 degree. Therefore, this is south, 80 degree east. You'll be wondering, why is this thing too simple? Why did I not miss this teacher since? And let's do the second one. The second one says 230 degree. I'll leave you to tell me where this line will fall in between. Have you done that? Now let's check if you're correct. This is north, south. Remember I said we, so that you will not forget. We are one, so we, just use we to remember this one. Okay. 230 degree will fall. This is 90. Plus another 90 is 180. Plus another 90 is 270. So actually, it should not even get up to here. It should fall somewhere here for it to be 230. This is 90, 90. That is 180. 180 plus what will give me 230. So let me just write the angle here. This angle here should be 50 degree. Because 90, 90 is 180 plus 50. To give you 230. So from here to here is 230 degree. From the question, we were asked to get the equivalence in 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. Now this falls also in between west and south, meaning that your answer will start from, I said, remember, you don't start with west when you're giving 3 digits, when you're doing compass. You either start with south, or you start with what? With what? With what? South or north? North or south? Now this one falls between south and west, so our answer should be south something degree west. South something degree. Oh, we are lucky. We already know the angle here, which is 50 degree. So our answer is south 50 degree west. Just pick the south, pick the immediate angle, then pick the next coordinate. You get your answer. I'll do 2 more or 1 more than you. You're cheating me. I'm doing 3 now. You want to do 2. Let me do the third one. The third one says 315 degree. Where will 315 degree fall? This is north, south, and we. 315 degree, this is 90, 90, that's 180, 270, 360. So 315 should be somewhere here. 90, 90, 90. That is 270. Plus 30, that is 300. We have not even gotten to 315. 30, we add another 15, that is 315. So we added 30 and 15, which is 45. Good. So here is 45 degree. 45 degree. So if you solve now, what will you have? Here is 45 degree. Now this line falls in between north and west and north. Remember, for compass, we start from north or south. So this one falls between north and west. So eventually it's north. So it is north something degree west. How will you get the angle here? North. What will be this angle here? So it is north, this angle, then west. If here is 45, remember, this quadrant here is 90. If you take away 45, what will be left? 45 also. Oh, so it is not 45 degree west. It is not because of this 45, oh no. Total here is 90. 90 minus this 45 still gave us 45, that is why. If here was 60, then the angle here will be 30. So this becomes our answer. I'll do this fourth one, then you do the last one for me. We, north, south. 39 degrees, 039 should fall in the first quadrant. It's not up to 90, so somewhere here. It's 39 degree. So our answer is north, 39 degree east. If you understood this, attempt the last question. Attempt the last question. Get the answer for me. Get the answer for me. Thank you. See you in my next video. God bless.